Oh my God! Perfect! Diyos ko, may nabasa ko sa post ni KLC na na-technical ang impeachment. Back to zero ulit sila sa June. O diba, tuwang-tuwa kayo? Pero, back to zero ulit. Ayan, merong post kasi si Judge Carpius. Panoorin natin lahat sa hindi nakapanood. Okay, so let's watch all together. I'm so happy, bitch.
Time ang Senate kasi mag-election na, campaign period will start February 11. Wala na silang time. Babalik sila June. Pero sa June, konti lang. I think they have just 2 weeks to have 14, 15 session days. At saka, walang, they will not be interested. Hindi matapos. Kasi you have to give Sara 10 days to answer the complaint. Maubos yun eh. Yung 15 days yun, baliwala yun eh. Because you have to give Sara time to file his comment.
Anong position ng
Ang position namin, don't file it now because you cannot act within, kasi mag-expire yung Senate eh. So there will be a new Senate. So you have to refile it.
start from zero?
Oo, magsa-start ng zero. Sabihin ni Sara, expired na yung Senate. So, they have to start all over again. It raises so many questions.